Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel for more decluttering. We're gonna jump right in and we're gonna start off with a haul. Okay, just got back from Target and here's a little small haul. Okay, just shredded lettuce. I'm making tacos tonight and I think I might put mine on this instead of shells. And sour cream, cheddar. I got this gel, my favorite. If you got natural hair, you know. This is the best gel. These, some ground turkey. I got this because it was on sale. Some toothpaste. I don't know if I showed this already. Sour cream. A refill for my toothbrush. Conditioner. And this for our eyes because all we do is look at computer screens and TVs. And then these, y'all, don't judge me. Don't judge me. And then we have the water. I got 2 of these. And I got some black seed and honey. I've been doing, TikTok made me do this. If you want to know how I made it, just comment below. But it's just like black seeds and organic honey. Alright. And I got some Naked, the blue machine. Dang. One more thing. I finally got this mop. And I'm gonna mop my floor today because it needs it. So we're gonna see what the hype is all about. I found these stickers on Amazon for my seasonings. So in this clip, I'm just gonna organize the seasonings that I have.
Don't take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away.
I'm cutting up some onions to put in this burrito taco, well, street taco that I found at Kroger. It is so good. I bought like a couple of them and put them in my freezer. And all you have to do is just put it in the pan. You don't have to season it. You don't have to add anything if you don't want to. I added onions and garlic to mine just because that's what I like. But you don't have to add anything. It's really good and flavorful.
I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Hey. Taking just don't be and live my life. Don't take it personal. We just building. It's my season. Lay foundation.
Y'all, it feels like it's taking me forever to declutter my kitchen. I got too much stuff. After this, I'm not buying anything else. This is out of control. But it's accumulated over a long period of time. Oop, there you go. All clean.
You got the nerve to be on me. Faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me. Cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. I'm in a place serene and pure and free. Hey, I ain't worried about what's the wave, only
ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe. But still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. God, I'm sick of this waiting. You got me going crazy tonight. So why don't you come on over and be my somebody to love? Somebody to love, somebody to love, somebody. I need somebody to love. I need somebody. I need somebody. Give me somebody, somebody to love.
All I have to say is get you one. This mop is so good. It clean. Oh, my floors are so clean right now. I love it, and it smells so good in there. Get you one. I love it.